大家好，歡迎大家參加由香港建築信息模擬學會 HKIBIM 主辦嘅 HKIBIM Award 2025線上獎項簡介會。我係今日嘅司儀森華。今日嘅簡介會主要分為兩個環節，第一個環節係獎項介紹，而第二個環節係獎項嘅申請流程。我哋今日好榮幸可以有 HKIBIM Award 2025 OC Chairman Mr. Forky Wong 同埋 HKIBIM Chairman Mr. 關聽出席我哋今日嘅線上簡介會。如果大家對 HKIBIM Award 有任何嘅疑問，都歡迎喺下面嘅 Q&A chat box 嗰度留言，我哋會喺最後嘅問答環節中解答大家嘅問題。事不宜遲，我哋而家歡迎 HKIBIM 主席關聽為我哋帶嚟歡迎詞。To begin with, let's invite Chairman of HKIBIM, Mr. Guan Ting, to develop a welcome speech to us. Chairman, please.
Okay.
Let's invite our Chairman of HKIBIM, Mr. Guan Ting, to develop a welcome speech to us. Chairman, please.
Okay, hello. Everyone hears my voice? Yeah. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to the HKIBIM Award 2025 briefing session. It is my great pleasure to meet with you online today as we introduce this year's award, an initiative that continues to recognize excellence, innovations, and leadership in building information modeling across our industry. As we gather online here, we recognize the significant advancements that BIM has brought to our projects, enhancing collaboration, efficiency, and sustainability. These awards are not just a recognition of individual, team, or organizational achievements, but a tribute to the collective efforts that drive our industry forward. Since its establishment in 2018, the HKIBIM Award stands as one of the most prestigious recognitions in the architecture, engineering, and construction sectors. It honors the outstanding achievement of projects, organizations, teams, and individuals who not only adopt BIM, but also use it to push boundaries, break silos, and redefine what's possible. This year's theme, BIM Beyond Boundaries, captures our shared vision. It reflects how BIM transcends geographical, technical, and disciplinary borders, fostering cross-border collaborations, digital innovations, and smarter connected cities. It also highlights Hong Kong's pivotal role as Asia's world city and a hub of BIM excellence, where local talents and global expertise converge to drive progress throughout the Greater Bay Area and beyond. This year, as we enhance the award structure to make it more comprehensive and professional, today's session is designed to help you to understand the award framework, categories, and judging process, and most importantly, to encourage you to participate, share your success stories, and showcase your contributions to the AEC and BIM community. In line with this year's theme, we are proud to announce that for the first time, the HKIBIM Award will feature an international juror panel. We have invited distinguished guests and experts, top leaders from around the world to bring global perspectives and cross-disciplinary insights to the judging process. Their participations reinforce the award's commitment to objectivity, innovations, and international recognitions. They are Mr. Eddie Ken, Associate of Bjarke Ingels Group from Denmark, Mr. David Kwok, Lendlease Construction in Australia, Professor Gan Lee, Professor Architecture and Architectural Engineering, Yonsei University from South Korea, Engineer Francis Leung, President of Hong Kong Albania, Dr. Dennis Shelton, Director of Center for Architectural Science and Ecology, CASE, Rensselaer Polytechnic Institutes from New York, United States. Dr. Cheng Yu Sun, Associate Professor of College of Architecture and Urban Planning, Tongji University in Shanghai. Mr. Lawson Yue, Assistant Director, Buildings Department of Hong Kong, and myself. We may also welcome additional international jurors to further enrich the diversity and professional depth of this year's panels. I would like to extend my gratitude to all our supporting organizations and to the HKIBIM organizing committee and board members for their dedication and hard work in preparing this year's award. Your commitment has been instrumental in elevating the awards to the next heights. Let us continue to inspire one another, push the boundaries of innovations, and drive the continuous advancements of our built environment through BIM excellence. Thank you for joining us today. I look forward to seeing your active participations and outstanding submissions for the HKIBIM Award 2025。
非常感謝阿關嘅支持，接落嚟由我同大家詳細介紹一下 HKIBIM Award 2025嘅獎項類別、報名資格同埋評審準則。首先係獎項類別，今屆獎項一共分為3大主項，覆蓋 BIM projects、BIM organizations 同埋 individuals， 具體細分為16個子類別。首先講到 Category A BIM projects， 聚焦喺各個 BIM 應用項目，分為5個方向，包括 A1 大型項目 Mega Projects， 要求合約金額總值超過50億港元或以上，以售標書為證明。A2 建築項目 Building Projects 同埋 A3 土木基建項目 Civil and Infrastructure Projects， 涵蓋政府、法定機構同埋私人開發嘅住宅、非住宅、道路、橋梁等等嘅場景，合約金額介乎3000萬至50億港元嘅項目。A4 非香港項目 Non-Hong Kong Projects， 則係面向內地同埋海外嘅項目，冇業主或者開發類型嘅限制。A5 BIM Initiative 分為教育類，譬如係課程、科研等等，同埋商業類、數碼工具平台等等。要留意呢類型嘅項目唔涉及任何嘅實際建築同建造。嚟到 Category B BIM Organization， 針對推動 BIM 發展嘅各類機構，包括6個子類別。B1 BIM Department and Team， 嚟自政府部門、公營機構、發展商、承建商等嘅 BIM 內部團隊都可以參與。B2 提供建築設計嘅諮詢顧問 AEC 顧問。B3 BIM Consultant 專注喺 BIM 核心業務嘅諮詢公司。B4 教育培訓及研究機構。B5 提供 BIM 相關技術嘅科技公司。再去到 B6 內地同海外嘅一啲 BIM 相關嘅企業，全面涵蓋咗 BIM 產業鏈嘅各個環節同埋機構。去到 Category C Individual， 表彰個人對 BIM 嘅貢獻，分為 C1 BIM of the Year， 必須為35歲或以上，需要係 HKIBIM 嘅 Professional Members， 同埋 C2 Young BIMers of the Years， 必須為35歲以下，需要係 HKIBIM Associate 或者 Professional Members。透過呢類型嘅獎項，可以鼓勵唔同年齡層嘅 BIM 人才。其次就係報名資格，呢個係我哋確保報名有效嘅關鍵。喺 Category A， 除咗 A4 Non-Hong Kong Projects 之外，項目必須位於香港。項目嘅實施日期要介乎於2023年嘅1月1日至2025年嘅12月5日之間，需要提供入伙紙或者員工證明等嘅證明文件。每個項目只可以報名一次，而團隊入面至少要有1位全職嘅 HKIBIM member， 而呢位 member 需要提供喺 Organization Chart 入面。過往嘅得獎者只要係新增咗 BIM 嘅應用方案就可以再次申請㗎啦。而係 Category B Organization， 除咗 B6 嘅 BIM Related Mainland or Overseas Company 之外， 機構需要係 Hong Kong base。機構可以申請多過一個 subcategory 嘅報名，而每個申請呢就需要有一或至少一位全職 HKIBIM member，而呢位會員呢都需要提供喺 organisation chart 入面嘅。去到 Category C individual 啦，就必須係 HKIBIM 嘅會員啦，而往年喺同一個類別得獎嘅得獎者呢，就唔可以再重複申請，而入圍候選人必須參加我哋嘅 finalist presentation，缺席嘅話呢就會取消資格。最後去到評審準則，唔同嘅類別都有各有側重，但係同樣地嚴謹。喺 A 類同埋 B 類嘅 BEAM projects 同 BEAM organisation 入面，都會分為5個角度去評分，包括 institutional and organizational commitment、BEAM certification、BEAM users and integration、Open BEAM initiative、BEAM promotion、innovation and digitalization。其中 BEAM promotion 同埋 innovation 嘅佔比最重，可見我哋嘅獎項好重視業界嘅影響力同埋技術嘅突破性。而 C 類個人項目方面呢，就會從4個方向去評估，包括 teamwork and leadership、professionalism、vision and contribution、innovation and technology，全面考察個人喺團隊業界入面嘅綜合價值。另外，今屆獎項嘅等級都非常之豐富，每個類別都有金、銀、銅同 Special Mention 4個獎項，仲有每一個子類別入面都有一個最高嘅榮譽 Grand Award。所有嘅得獎者都會喺頒獎晚宴正式公布佢哋嘅榮譽。以上就係我哋獎項嘅核心介紹，接落嚟就會聚焦返喺參賽費用同埋重要日子。首先，費用就分為3個等級。喺11月7號或之前完成我哋 Stage 1嘅 application 呢，就可以享有早鳥優惠7500蚊港元。如果喺11月7號之後報名，就會係常規價錢9000蚊港元。如果係2022年1月1號或之後成立嘅公司呢，就可以享有初創企業優惠。費用包括行政費、一張頒獎晚宴嘅門票、大獎刊物嘅介紹、證書同埋獎杯。需要留意嘅係，提交咗申請之後呢，就不獲退款㗎，但係未入圍或者不符合資格嘅 project 呢，就可以退款，但係需要扣除3000蚊嘅行政費。最後，大家需要留意嘅日子包括有2025年12月22號，亦即係今日咧就會開始接受提名㗎喇。11月7號晚上11點59分咧就會截止我哋嘅早鳥優惠。12月5號嘅晚上11點59分咧就會截止報名同埋提交資料。今年嘅12月就會進行第一階段嘅首輪評審。而出年嘅1月16號就會開始公布我哋嘅入圍名單，1月底咧就會進行 Category C Finalist 嘅評審匯報。3月底咧就係大家萬眾期待嘅 HKIBIM Award 2025頒獎典禮，得獎名單將會喺當日晚宴上面公布。咁我哋了解完獎項架構之後呢，接落嚟我就同大家梳理一下 HKIBIM Award 2025嘅報名流程，等大家可以更加有效率咁完成報名。第一階段呢，就需要填寫一啲簡單嘅個人資訊啦，譬如為姓名、公司、聯絡方式、報名類別等等，需要根據唔同嘅報名類別詳細地補充返，例如A 類嘅項目咧，就需要填寫項目名稱、業主名稱同埋竣工日期；而 B 類咧就需要填寫返機構嘅名稱啦。C 類咧就需要提交返會員編號、出生日期等等。要注意嘅係提名 A 類同 B 類嘅申請咧，就必須要有至少有一名全職會員係屬於 HKIBIM 認可嘅會員類型。例如係 graduate member、associate member、professional members 等等，就算係正在申請嘅 HKIBIM 會員咧，都可以提供返你哋嘅申請編號。另外咧，支付方式咧，我哋都同樣支持銀行轉賬同埋支票方式嘅。 報名者咧可以先申請 invoice 之後再付款啦。咁 invoice 咧，我哋就秘書處就會喺5個工作天內發送去你嘅聯絡郵箱入面。咁大家要注意嘅係11月7號完成咗 Stage One Application 咧，先可以享有早鳥優惠嘅。而12月5號或之前需要完成所有嘅付款程序，上傳入數紙嘅時候咧，必須要根據你所申請嘅類別格式去改你嘅 file 名嘅。咁完成咗第一階段之後咧，5個工作天內，秘書處就會發出一個包含參考編號嘅確認郵件啦。咁大家需要按清單上面去提供翻你哋嘅資料。例如 A 類就需要提供翻一啲項目嘅 description 啦、合約證明啦、團隊架構圖等等。B 類咧就需要提供翻公司 logo、機構描述等等。C 類咧就需要一啲個人嘅 CV、證書。所有資料咧都需要喺2025年12月5號晚上11點59分之前上傳到去你特定嘅 link 入邊嘅。所有資料必須為英文，但係可以接受中文嘅補充資料。咁溫馨提示翻啦，HKIBIM 同埋我哋 Award 嘅評審團咧都有權對所有申請者嘅資格作出最終嘅決定。完咗 Award Briefing Section 之後咧，大家都可以上翻 HKIBIM 嘅網站，上面咧就列明咗所有嘅報名要求、評審準則同埋所需嘅資料㗎喇。大家如果有興趣支持我哋 Award 咧，網站上面我哋都會有提供一啲 sponsorship package 俾大家參考嘅。如果有任何問題，都歡迎同秘書處聯絡。喺我哋開始問答環節之前咧，大家可以將你哋嘅問題擺喺我哋 Zoom 下面嘅 Q&A chat box 入面。唔知各位參加者有冇問題呢？要交嘅 material 咧，我哋將會擺上我哋 HKIBIM Award 嘅網站上面嘅，咁到時可以參考翻啦。對於需唔需要交 BIM model 咧，我哋係唔需要交任何嘅 BIM model 嘅，但係可以 optional 咁提交翻一啲 BIM adoption 嘅影片，影片限制時長係8分鐘。A 類項目，我哋需要提交翻一啲證明文件去證明佢嘅竣工日期就可以㗎啦。咁時間有限啦，咁或者我見 Q&A chat box 入面咧都好多大家嘅問題，我哋秘書處會逐一聯絡翻大家去用 email 回答翻大家嘅。咁如果大家仲有啲咩問題，都隨時可以聯絡翻我哋嘅秘書處啦。咁再一次 show 翻我哋嘅聯絡資料，大家如果對獎項仲有其他問題嘅話，就可以電話同埋電郵查詢都可以。今日嘅簡介會就到此結束啦，多謝大家嘅參與。